just crashed the drone in this culvert like a dum-dum, pushing its limits. So you can see it. Blinking still. Possibly with this, I don't know. Either way. I'm gonna have to go in there and get it. Figure I'll wait a couple days because this water should calm down a little bit. And it's stuck up against the rock in the culvert, a big ass rock, out of the water, amazingly. Alright, this is where my drone landed. Got lucky. And it was flashing up until a second ago. And it's up against the wall. Like it definitely got wet. But that's why I bought the warranty, right? Wouldn't doubt if it still works just fine. So now let's get out of here. Okay, after the crash, power was still on. It was all blinking still when I picked it up out of the water. Wasn't in too much water. And brought it up here and just dried it off. And I don't see any damage, even the props. Oh no, here we go. That one's cracked. Okay, so that's the only... Looks like that's the only one that's damaged. No, that one's got a nick in it too. Okay, so two... One's got a tiny little nick. I'll just replace them all. Because I have a whole nother set, so, but yeah, that's it. Just a tiny, see if you can get that. Tiny little piece. And this one, there. So let's switch those out and I'll turn them back on and see how she flies. Alright, bad day for the drone, I guess. Crashed it in the tunnel and then everything seemed fine, so I figured, oh, I'll test it on the road. So it went up and down, went around, everything seemed to work, so I figured, oh, I'll take it up about 20 or 30 feet, went up, and then it just dropped. So this is the camera broke off. Other than that, it doesn't look too bad a shape. So maybe they can fix it and resell it. I don't know. I got the warranty, so I'll be golden. I'll just go trade it in. Alright. Update on that when I go to Best Buy. Tell you how they did. Alright, this is the final crash Best Buy insurance review of the DJI Air 2S. So the drone is awesome. Love it. Especially for a first time user. It didn't take too long to get used to it. I definitely could have crashed it a few times, but it also came back to me a few times, quite a few times, when it got out of range and it came back home. So I'm thankful for that. Has a lot of good features. But the insurance, I don't know. Maybe that's just me being naive, but I paid $400 for insurance. So I go in and they give you your new drone, but you have to pay the $400 again if you want to insure it, the new drone, which I didn't realize. So I don't know, shame on me, or so keep that in mind. And I'm sure it goes up as you get bigger packages, better drones. So the workaround I found was to get the same exact drone, just with a different package that doesn't have a bunch of extra batteries and extra charging. Yeah, a couple of little extra things, but the insurance was only $300, so $100 cheaper. So I don't know, I feel a little better about that, I guess. Love the drone though. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out where to send it up first. Maybe right through this hole and down to the river. I don't know.